Hi, I'm Gerri with Iris Magic. Today we're going to talk about our fine art canvas wraps. So this is our fine art canvas wrap. This is our very most popular item in the studio. So I'm going to just show you a little bit about how it's made and tell you what we do. So this is a 10 by 10. This is going to be made with a cedar frame in the back. It's going to have hardware installed. Whenever you receive this, it's going to be ready to hang. And with our canvases, we're going to mirror our edges. We wouldn't want this gentleman's head to get wrapped around the picture, so we just take the 1.5 inches and we mirror it. And that is how we make the edges of a canvas wrap. So we offer a variety of sizes with our canvas wraps. This is an 8 by 10. We offer a 10 by 10. We also offered 11 by 14, which I'll have on display soon, and this is a 16 by 20. 16 by 20 is our most common size for our canvas wraps. Okay. We also offer a 20 by 24. This is going to be our next most common size, and our last size that you see is a 24 by 36. If you have any questions about our canvas wraps, call our studio today.